In this recipe, I'm super excited because we're going to be making eggless vanilla cake, which is going to turn out soft, fluffy, delicious, and perfect. You can frost your cake with some whipping cream, buttercream, and enjoy over a cup of tea or coffee. But I'm going to be enjoying mine as is, and it's going to be delicious. So hope you'll be checking the next recipe, which will be using self-raising flour, and see how the cake turns out. You'll find all the ingredients listed in the description box, and they're very simple. Into your mixing bowl, you're going to be adding in your margarine, which is going to add in a very buttery and rich flavor to the cake. You can also substitute with softened butter. At this point, you're going to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Line a baking pan with parchment paper and spray the pan so that it can be easier for you to invert the cake. When the margarine is nice and soft, you're going to add in your sugar. Combine using your spatula, and then you're going to whip up with your mixer for around 2 minutes. If you don't have a hand mixer, you can simply use a whisk or your spatula to mix in the ingredients. Add in a teaspoon of vanilla essence, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and salt. Mix until fully combined. Then next we're going to be adding in a 1/4 cup of plain yogurt. Mix in using your spatula. Because the recipe is eggless, I've added in both baking powder and baking soda, and they're both leavening agents which help the cake rise while in the oven. Baking soda reacts with acidic ingredients like yogurt, vinegar, or buttermilk. That will make the cake very fluffy. Add half of the flour, and using a spatula you're going to fold in. Add in a little bit of milk. Stir in using a spatula. And once the milk and flour is combined, you're going to add in the rest of the flour and milk. Once all the ingredients are fully combined, you're going to transfer the butter into your prepped up tin. Evenly distribute your butter in the pan just like this. Tap on the countertop 2 times. This is to remove the excess air pockets in the butter. And then you're going to be baking your eggless cake at 180 degrees Celsius for 50 to 60 minutes. And to check if the cake is ready, you're going to insert a skewer in the middle of the cake. Once the skewer comes out clean, the cake is ready. My eggless vanilla cake is baked to perfection. It has a very gorgeous golden crust, which I absolutely love. Now, I'm going to be trying out the recipe using self-raising flour, because today we have used all-purpose flour together with baking powder and soda. And then I'm going to compare which cake is better. Using a serrated knife, I'm going to slice into my cake. After cutting into my cake, this is how it looks like on the inside, and I absolutely love how soft and fluffy the cake is. So this is a recipe worth trying. Yeah, there's no eggs. There's no smell of eggs, which means that this cake is perfect for you.